In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font to Google Fonts. This wonderful resource is like a treasury for designers and developers alike, offering a vast selection of fonts that can be used freely for various projects. Whether you're working on a website, a presentation, or simply looking to spice up your document, Google Fonts has got you covered. And the best part? It's completely free and incredibly easy to navigate. So let's dive right in and see how you can add a new font to your collection. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Google Fonts website. You can do this by typing fonts Google Fonts into your search bar or by following the direct link provided in the description below. Once on the home page, you'll notice a plethora of font options available at your fingertips. The intuitive design of the website allows for easy browsing, making it simple to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, once you're on the Google Fonts website, your next step is to click on Fonts. This might seem redundant given that you're already on the Google Fonts site, but this click takes you into the heart of the font library, where you can start your deep dive into the endless options available. Don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly. Every step of the way, Google Fonts ensures that you have a smooth and enjoyable experience. After clicking on Fonts, it's time to select your desired font. This is where you get to explore and unleash your inner creative. Take your time to scroll through the offerings. Google Fonts provides a variety of filters to help narrow down your search according to categories like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and more. Once you find a font that catches your eye, click on it. Each font page gives you a brief on the typeface, including its designer and a glimpse of what it looks like in action. When you've decided on a font, the next step is to click on Get Font. This button transports you to a new area where you'll be provided with instructions on how to incorporate the font into your website using HTML and CSS. But fret not, for those looking to simply download the font, there's an option for you as well. Look for the download icon, which is usually located right next to the font you like. It's a small icon that unmistakably represents the download function. Clicking on this will prepare your chosen font or fonts for download. You might find yourself wondering, can I download more than one style of this font? Absolutely. Google Fonts allows you to select from various font weights and styles if available. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring consistency in your project's design while still allowing for varied emphasis and hierarchy. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Google Fonts and added a new font to your collection. Now feel free to use this font in your projects, be it for digital or print purposes. Remember, Google Fonts are free for commercial and personal use, making them an excellent resource for everyone. One final tip before we wrap up, always keep exploring. The world of typography is vast and ever evolving. Google Fonts regularly updates its library with new fonts, so there's always something new to discover. Don't hesitate to revisit and explore new fonts that can elevate your projects to the next level. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to add a font to Google Fonts. I hope this guide has been helpful and has simplified the process for you. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just starting out, knowing how to utilize resources like Google Fonts is invaluable. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing and see you in the next video.